Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the update for Tuesday, August 3rd, 2021. And you know that the market is still going sideways for the last 5-6 days, but the momentum is still in the uptrend. So you can see that the last couple of days, the bio healthcare stock as well as semiconductor stock are the biggest gainer, so they lift the market into the uptrend. So some sector do sideways correction, but the technology that including semiconductor, they are gaining momentum every day here. So first of all, let's take a look on the overall market, and then we will go into detail to see what stock they are doing well, and then we can go from there. Okay, first of all, let's take a look on the S&P 500. As you can see that the market is having sideways choppy here, up one day, down one day. So but they are not coming down, so definitely we're looking for something to break out here. If they can clear the resistance here, we will continue to move higher. And if you look at the Nasdaq, which is a technology stock, it also they are also going sideways. So let's see them able to break this level here for the continue to the upside. And the Dow it also gets stuck at the resistance here. So we're waiting for them to break out this level to be even more bullish. Okay, and if you look at the Russell 2000, that's the only one that very choppy sideways. They go nowhere. So as you can see that many money here, they are going nowhere. So that's why a lot of small mid-cap stock they are stuck into the rainbow. And so the technology sector is also doing very well, as you can see here. XLK, they are pulled back down, but they found support and push it back up right away. And so a lot of stock still pretty strong in this sector, like Apple, that they pull back down, but they hold up and try to push it back up again. ADB, Adobe, okay, still hang tight to the upside, and Oracle, okay, that's another one. They gained some momentum today also. And the semiconductor is also very strong here, as you can see here. The semiconductor continue to hold up to the upside. They break out a big base here, and now they are leading the technology to the upside again. So a lot of stock in this sector that you can see that like AMD, right, LRCX, right, KLAC, for example. So those stocks will still rumble to the upside. And another strong move for the last couple of days, as you can see that the XLV, which is the healthcare and biotech stock, is still doing very well. As you can see here, they continue to push it stronger to the upside. So a lot of stock in this sector, they're doing very well, like Amgen, like Moderna, okay, they have Pfizer and Johnson Johnson. So those stocks will continue to break out and push it up to the upside with a worry of a Delta variant virus. So those stocks are still very high in demand right now. And if you look at the another sector that we're talking about on the weekend, that the consumer stable, they gain some momentum and also put it back up. And XLB, also another sector, they try to get up and then they pull back down, but now they try to put it back up again. So you can see a lot of stock in this sector also try to find a way to turn around, like XSteel, NUE, that's another new core. It's also rumble to the upside. TB, okay, so that's another one. They continue to put it up to the upside. And look at the five top stock that we analyzed over the weekend. Let's see how they are doing right now. So first of all, like Applied Material, still hanging out in this level here. They try to clear the resistance here. If they can clear the resistance here, they will follow a lot of good one, okay, like AMD, and then continue to rumble to the upside. and the Nike continue to dominate the retail market. It continue to put it to the upside. GGG, that's another one. It also push it back up. Tesla is also another one on the list. It still try to fight to clear this resistance over here. Okay, and NUE, which is the one we yet analyze, so they're all doing well right now. Okay, so overall the market is still bullish. As you can see here, all the stock is doing well. The crude oil is still choppy sideways right now. Okay, and the gold is also sideways choppy. As you can see here, they get stuck into this area here. They still ran back and forward here. The Bitcoin is after they hit to the first line of resistance, they are still get stuck here, so they pull back. Okay, sideways after they run up too fast here, so they probably go sideways before they find another way to break out this level there. And Ethereum is also doing the same thing. Okay, so the Bitcoin they run too fast, so they take some breathe here before they can turn around and then go higher. Alright, so beside this stuff, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry stop loss and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. Again, thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy, and good luck in your trading. I will see you on Thursday. Take care, everyone.